Check it out, guys. Going on 6:30 in the evening, Michigan time. The sun's still well up in the sky. It's gotta be dark in France. Listen to the signal pounding in, man. After I turn the volume up, I'll turn the RF gain down after a few seconds to eliminate some of the letter E's in the decoder. Okay, check him out, man. He was hitting 20 over 9. Okay. Right on, man. God, really, Chuck? I can't find him. I forgot what frequency he was on. That's not him. Well, Blowzo, you knocked the camera off the tripod, you jerked the charger cord out of it, and you freaked out and hit the tuning knob and destroyed your video. These are the days.